Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2026 Lotus Evija, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. The 2026 Lotus Evija is the kind of hypercar that doesn't just aim to impress, it was built to dominate, to stand as a bold reminder that lightweight engineering and extreme electric performance can exist in perfect harmony. This machine represents the purest form of Lotus philosophy taken into the future: simplicity, precision, balance, and explosive power. When you look at the Evija, you see a shape sculpted by airflow itself. Those massive aerodynamic tunnels pouring through the rear aren't just for show, they're functional, channeling air in ways no traditional supercar dares to attempt. The 2026 update refines this concept even further with sharper aero edge, optimized downforce distribution, and active elements that adapt instantly to every movement of the car. And then there's the power. Lotus engineered the Evija to prove that electric hypercars are not only capable of insane acceleration but also handling finesse that borders on supernatural. With 4 electric motors delivering a combined output that challenges physics, the Evija launches with brutal force, pinning you to the seat as if gravity just multiplied. But what makes it special isn't only the raw numbers, it's the intelligence behind the power. The torque vectoring works like magic, sending exact amounts of power to each wheel so the car feels perfectly balanced, stable, and nimble even at insane speeds. It dances through corners with a level of precision that traditional hypercars simply can't match. Lotus has always been about lightness, and even in the electric era, they refuse to compromise. The 2026 Evija uses advanced carbon fiber construction and next-generation battery technology to keep weight dramatically lower than its rivals, giving it the agility of a much smaller machine. On the outside, the Evija's design is pure electric aggression: a low, wide stance, flowing body lines, and that unmistakable rear light signature glowing inside the massive aerodynamic tunnels. It looks like something ripped straight from a futuristic concept sketch, yet it's here, real, and more extreme than anything Lotus has ever created. Step inside and you're greeted with a cockpit that blends racecar minimalism with cutting-edge tech. The steering wheel is inspired by motorsport. The digital cluster displays everything you need, and the materials feel sculpted with purpose: carbon fiber, Alcantara brushed metal. Nothing extra, nothing unnecessary. It's a space designed for focus, for control, for driving at the limit. But beyond all the engineering brilliance, what truly defines the 2026 Evija is its identity. This isn't a hypercar built to be loud, flashy, or overwhelming. It's built to be pure, built to be precise, built to deliver an unfiltered connection between driver and machine, even in an era dominated by electric complexity. Lotus didn't create the Evija to follow trends, they created it to set a new standard, to prove that electric hype can still deliver emotion, character, and driver engagement at the highest level. The Evija isn't trying to replace the internal combustion hypercar legacy, it's showing the world what comes next. And in the process, it becomes a symbol of evolution, of transformation, of what happens when timeless engineering philosophy meets futuristic electric power. So when the 2026 Lotus Evija storms past you on the road or track, you're not just seeing another electric hypercar, you're witnessing a masterpiece of aerodynamics, power, and precision. The machine that captures the very soul of speed. A vision of the future brought to life today, and a reminder that Lotus still knows exactly how to create legends.